was a little worried about this one not working out, but looks like it's going to now. I shorted the red bar after it pierced the ceiling of the upper profit pivot line, and I will go through this in a second as soon as this thing resolves itself. But basically, um, waiting for it to get down to approximately that lower orange profit pivot line to take my profits, or I may just hit the dump button here anywhere. Um, I got stopped out once trying to go short on this a little bit too soon, but I think that now, oh yeah, it looks like we're going to get some good action down here. Now that that line has turned orange from red, I am just going to hover on the flatten button here just to make sure that I catch my profit when I have it. But looks like this trade will work out. I think I'll just take it right here and not be greedy. Oops, too late. Well, that happens sometimes. If you don't pull the trigger quick enough, you have to hang on and see what else will happen. But one of the things that I think I will do at least here is I'm going to move my stop up so that I don't lose any money, and I'll move it up one tick so that at least I cover my my commissions if I get stopped out on that trade. So it's basically a free trade. Now we just kind of relax and wait and see what happens. I'm hoping that she will drop down and take me out at my profit target, which is just a few ticks away here. So it looks like I have some previous volume here at 57.74. I might move up my profit target to there and see what happens. Come on. I scared it away. Almost there. One more thrust to the downside. Remember, we're in a situation now where there's no risk. This is a free trade. We have our stop loss set to cover our commissions, and we're just waiting for it to hit our profit target. I'm going to put it on pause and come back because this is taking a little bit of time. Okay, new barge is painted, and it painted red, and it's going down, and I'm hoping it can break through this little rung of volume here at 719 and take out our stop, because this is where everything's been stalling in the past. Is right here. You got a little bit of volume at 75 and 74.8. It appears to be a little bit of lower resistance, but looks like if we just hang on, yes, it worked out for us. So now, in review, here's what happened. This bar right here actually pierced the upper profit pivot line. There was actually a profit pivot arrow originally painted on this bar, and this bar was originally red, and that's why I took the trade. As the trade progressed, this bar turned into a lower profit pivot bar, orange. So the next trades will be to the upside. But anyway, I had set my profit target down here about halfway between the two Keltner channels. I originally had set it down to this lower bar, but it didn't look like it was going to be able to get there too soon. It probably will get there now that this next bar is painted, but I was hoping to get down there on this bar. That did not happen. So I moved it up about halfway between these two Keltner channels, and that worked out, and that produced $120 profit for us. Okay, so system works. Go back to our monitor tab, and we have our trade here. Hang on, let me bring up the marker tool again. Here's our trade for a P&L of 120, and then here we're at 98.57. So we're about $100 away from $10,000. So far the $10,000 challenge is working out real nice, trying to show people how they can do this with my system in a relatively small account, because I get asked that question quite a bit. You know, how much money do I need to start? You don't need tons. If you're just trying to supplement your income, you can start with a small account. If you're trying to, you know, make a living, I would recommend a much larger account. But as you can see, either strategy works. Anyway, that's it for me. Over and out from Bill. I have to go teach this morning, so I'll talk to you later. Bye.